You know what that is? The sound of American muscle, solid metal, original body, powered by a 496 big block, made it to a 700 R4 that's been built. We have this much paperwork on the build in regards to the driveline. The body, I rated a fun out of 10 because it has a lot of character. It does show minor imperfections, but that's the cool part about this ride. Today we're gonna take it for a test drive, let you decide if this is what you want to put in your garage or leave it outside, who cares? Click on the link below to find out full details, underside shots, description, financing, transport, and also please like and subscribe so we can give you more great content just like this. We're gonna start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this a 6 out of 10, but a 8 out of 10 because the body is so solid. It doesn't have any Bondo. Everything is solid and nice and metal hood. And there's something hiding underneath that hood that you guys are gonna fall in love with. It has a 496 that's dressed up to look like a 396 with 375 horsepower, but in reality, if you're looking at those aluminum heads, this actually has 550 horsepower. Runs extremely well. This will break those brand new BF Goodrich's loose. Under 40 miles an hour, you're gonna be spinning the tires, and I cannot wait to do that. Paint is extremely clean. This is the original color. Interior is original, door cards are original, and you can see that ratchet shifter down there. That's really easy to use, so we'll show you how to use that. You have a set of dummy gauges, and someone has upfitted the lights with LEDs, which I love. So you've got like that sinister driver feel. This is badass. I don't know if I could say that in this video, but this is a badass ride. All of your bright work is actually in really nice shape. You've got the perfect sticker for this car. Go fast, ride whatever, don't die. But if you're looking at the car, you're gonna see that there are imperfections throughout. If you put a paint job on this, it'll be unbelievable. And I actually toyed with the idea of doing it, but as I looked at it more and more, it's so nice and solid and it has so much character, I just couldn't do it. Rear end's extremely clean. You can see those track bars underneath there. And if you guys want to see shots of this car on the lift, just click on the link below. It'll have basically everything you want to see from the suspension side of things, that Moser rear end, and all the suspension components as well. All right, let's open the trunk. Nice and solid throughout. There's no rattling. You have your trunk jacking instructions right here. And then you're going to see a little bit of, this is just water stains, but it's nice and solid. Original quarters. All your lights are in place. You have your jack right here. And then if anybody could tell me what that is, I've never seen that before, so that'd be a great thing to leave in the comments because I don't know what it is. Help me out here. Help John out. You have your Nova badging right here, which says Nova by Chevrolet. Rear quarters in great shape. No rot. Tires just fit perfect. These dog dishes. Oh yeah. So we left red lines up front and then we got the BF Goodrich radial TAs for the rear because these are going to give you a little bit more grip. Honestly, with 550 horsepower, a drag radial or a street radial would be a much better choice, but unfortunately you can't get those until January, so we opted with the BF Goodrich tire and we'll see how it holds. I'm pretty sure we're going to be all over the road. Body lines are straight on here. All the trim looks good. Roof line's very nice, but it does have paint imperfections. So that's why we're giving it that rating. Passenger side's very clean, and Will and I are going to get very accommodated in that bench seat. All the rubber's still original. Door cards are very nice. Your windows do operate, so they do go up and down. And I want to get back to that motor too. I haven't really talked about it very much. But you do have power steering and power brakes that have all been upgraded. It does have disc brakes in the rear as well, which is a big deal, so four-wheel disc brakes. And then when we're talking about paperwork, this is all the paperwork for the build. Don't get mad at me for putting this on here. But everything in here for the actual build of the motor is going to be displayed in our gallery. So if you click on the link below, you'll have photos of all this documentation. That's cool. Documentation brings people together. I've been waiting all week to test drive this one just because of the compact size of it and the giant motor in there. 700 R4 that's been built, so we'll see how it holds up. A lot of guys will do the TH400, but the 700 R4 is going to give you more of a cruising speed on the highway. And if you build it, they will hold up the power. 550 horsepower shouldn't be a problem for it. To start it up, let me turn this, the heater box still works. 1 second, it's been sitting out here. Oh, yes. We have 65 pounds of oil pressure right now. Horn works. The headliner is extremely nice. And the light works inside here too, so I'll show you that. The cap probably flew off of it because it's so freaking fast. Fisher panels are in nice shape. There's no rust around here. Let me get back there so you can hear it. Thumper. Let's do it. I hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. I'm loving this thing. Nice and smooth. Woo! We'll try to get a second gear pull here. See how it does. Safety first, of course. We'll do it in a closed course. It's fast. Stupid fast. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Let me know how I do on this one. Buy this car.
Any questions, call us, 954-363-2261.
Have a great day.